What if I told you that just $10 a day could change your life forever? Not in a lottery, not in a scam, but with real, proven steps to long-term wealth. If you can spare $10 daily, you already have the tools to retire rich. Let's start with mindset. Most people think you need to earn 6 figures to build wealth. That's wrong. Wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about what you do consistently. 10 per day may sound small, but with time and the power of compound interest, it becomes massive. Let's do the numbers. If you invest $10 every day, that's $300 per month. Invested in a simple index fund averaging 10% annual return. Here's what happens. After 5 years, $23,000. After 10 years, $62,000 after 20 years, $206,000. After 30 years, over $500,000, and yes, that's with just $10 a day. So where do you invest? Start with index funds like the S&P 500, low fees, proven growth. Robo-advisors, apps like Betterment or Wealthfront manage everything for you. Brokerage accounts, use platforms like Fidelity or Vanguard for control and flexibility. Bonus tip, if your employer offers a 401 match, use that too. It's free money. Think you can't spare $10? Think again. Cut one Starbucks coffee, cancel one unused subscription. Cook at home once instead of eating out, sell stuff you don't use. Do a microtask online surveys, gig apps, or freelance gigs. And money is there. You just need to reprioritize. The true key isn't money. It's consistency. Wealth isn't built overnight. But $10 daily, invested smartly, compounds into freedom, security, and peace of mind. You won't feel it now, but your future self will thank you. So ask yourself, can you commit $10 a day to your future? If yes, then congratulations. You've just unlocked the wealth building code. Start today. Stay consistent. Let time do the rest.